I am Robert Dekkers and I'm teaching the course Software Architecture, good software architecture actually. I've experienced in software architecture for quite some time. I think the first time I wrote architecture on a document is 30 years ago in 1993. And I've been working on architecture, I think, ever since. First as an architect, but also as an architecture consultant and coach. And currently I'm also doing research on architecture, which also have done within Philips Research. And I'm teaching the course actually since 2010 and since 2017 or 18 for the High Tech Institute. So, well, and I like it a lot, or otherwise I wouldn't be doing it for 13 years, yeah? Already for 13 years, and it's getting better and better. Each time I improve the course a bit, always based on the feedback I get from people, and I enjoy it a lot. First of all, because I'm a bit of a nerd still, and I think in that sense, so I like all the technologies that people are working on. I like to see all the cases of the students, and although it all stays inside the classroom, what they tell about the cases and their work, but it's really cool to see that people are working on nuclear reactors, robots, electrical vehicles, complete automated warehouses. Very cool. And also what I really like about teaching is the interaction with the people. So it motivates me a lot. And also, well, with regards to architecture itself, I've been there, yeah, I know, I've done it. So it's about time, and it is time still, that I convey my knowledge to other people, and I really like to do that. I always said to my parents, who were both teachers, like I never want to be a teacher, but actually I really like it. So I have to be honest to them. So why architecture? Well, first of all, I like architecture because it's basically, it's the bridge between everything. So it is quite, I think it's the most complicated topic related to software development, actually to system development. So because architecture, well, it's important when things are getting complex. So whenever there are multiple systems, a lot of stakeholders, a lot of people involved, architecture is important. The role of architecture is then it's about thinking ahead. It's about thinking about the most important properties of a system that are the most difficult to realize. So that's really why if you don't do architecture, you might not know where you're going to end up. So architecture is about thinking ahead and providing a solution direction for all those issues that might come up later.